Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. Me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headlines them. Imani Duncan-Price says she now run back for the PMP in the Central Kingston seat in the next general election. The police reports more than 1,500 cars get thief in the country every year. One man get locked up Sunday after police find one gun and some bullet on the Ramble Main Road in Hanover. Now for the full tour of them. Imani Duncan-Price says she now run back for the PMP in the Central Kingston seat in the next general election. Mrs. Duncan-Price did write one letter to the party president Mark Golding and Angela Brown-Burke, who are the chairperson. Mrs. Duncan-Price says she have too much things to do with Grace and Love Foundation, where she take up what day. The police report more than 1,500 cars get thief in the country every year. The Stolen Motor Vehicle Unit in the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch put out that information here. But them say a mostly certain type of vehicle get thief because them parts sell fast. On top of that, them say the most vehicle get thief in St. Catherine. One man get locked up Sunday after police find one gun and some bullet on the Ramble Main Road in Hanover. According to reports from the Ramble police, around 1 in the morning, them did a stop and search some vehicle. Them stop one bike man and them find one .45 Rugal pistol upon him. Him get locked up for have gun and bullet where him have no license for. The police no put out him name it. Police put out one Ananda alert for 15-year-old Danae Williams, who people call Dan. She come from Lowell Avenue in Adonai Park, Kingston. Danae brown and short. According to the reports, around 12:30 p.m. on January 30, people lost Danae in a St. Anne. She did have on one pink hoodie, blue jeans and black slippers. Nobody no see or hear from her after that. The Donny Park police asked anybody who know which part Danae Williams there for call them on 876-933-4280 119 or the nearest police station. The police said them are looking at one case where it look like one man kill himself after them find him body in a one cane field at Worthy Park late last night. The dead man, a 55-year-old Frederick Grant, who come from Rosemont housing scheme in a Linstead. Mr. Grant did work at Kingston Bookshop. According to the police report, them did upon patrol upon the Ty Dixon Main Road when them get information for going at the cane field. Them find Mr. Grant dead in the driver's seat of one grey Toyota pickup truck. It looked like him shot himself in his mouth. One gun did in his lap. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.